Look what happened in New York City when there was an attempt to limit the sale of any one soft drink to, what, 32 ounces? It's an amazing phenomenon how rapidly, in historic terms, the problem of obesity has blossomed in the United States over a period of just a few decades. So this cannot be a result of genetic evolution or change in the makeup of individuals. It's a change in the combination of our environment and our behavior, and the two have been mutually reinforcing. Our diet has certainly changed. When I was a child, a Coke that you bought in the store was 6.5 ounces. What's a Coke today that you buy in a store? And look what happened in New York City when there was an attempt to limit the sale of any one soft drink to, what, 32 ounces? We've changed the way in which we expose ourselves to calories and have access to low value foods that are nevertheless high in calories. In addition, our behavior has changed individually. We get less exercise than we did in an earlier era. And so we're burning fewer calories, we're consuming more calories, we're eating different kinds of calories, and there's no question that a combination of individual behavior and choice and the environment in which we live and work has created the conditions that have led to the obesity epidemic in the United States. Importantly, we can reverse those conditions just as we created them. We can change the environment in which food is available. We can provide information, more information to people. We can make it easier and cheaper to get healthier foods. We can provide more food of higher quality in the food supplement programs that are now a main source of nutrition for millions of Americans. So there are things that we can and should be doing to help reverse the obesity epidemic. It is an individual responsibility. It is a community responsibility. It's both.